Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your connection and removing basic bottlenecks. Run a speed test and confirm upload bandwidth. If it's low, pause large uploads or switch to wired Ethernet. Once done, prioritize your stream in the router's CoS settings so packets get served first. Make sure to close background apps on your PC and limit other devices using the network because shared bandwidth causes stutters. These first fixes immediately reduce drops and give you a stable baseline for finer tuning. You now configure the encoder so the stream stays smooth under load. Pick a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync when possible because it offloads work from the CPU and reduces frame drops. Then, set your bitrate to roughly 70% of your upload speed to leave headroom for network spikes. Use constant bitrate to prevent sudden quality swings. Next, set keyframe interval to 2 seconds and choose an encoder preset that balances quality and performance, because these settings control latency, stability, and viewer experience. You finish by validating and preparing for problems. Record locally and perform a short test stream to catch issues before going live. Review CPU, dropped frames, and network logs. If dropped frames continue, reduce bitrate or step down to 720p with a higher frame rate, because resolution vs smoothness trade-offs matter. For persistent network errors, reboot the router, update firmware and drivers, and try an alternate connection or mobile hotspot to isolate ISP problems. This final pass secures reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.